Ever find yourself struggling with plumbing tasks? Whether it's pipe bending, cutting, or other essential tasks, these reliable tools provide the solutions you need. Upgrade your toolkit and say goodbye to plumbing challenges with confidence. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Stick around till the end, as each tool and accessory we're about to share is incredibly useful in simplifying plumbing for your building projects. The Nerad Tools 15x22mm Jet Sweat Pack NTJ S1522 is a robust solution for heavy-duty plumbing tasks, capable of withstanding up to 75 psi of water pressure. Known for their innovation in the plumbing industry, Nerad Tools, founded by experienced plumbers, prioritizes convenience, ergonomics, and quality work in their designs. This tool, a must-have in any professional toolkit, features a water flow prevention device and accommodates both 22mm and 15mm sizes. Its ability to handle high water pressure makes it ideal for demanding plumbing work, reflecting Nerad Tools' commitment to providing reliable and efficient solutions for plumbing professionals. The swagging spin tool revolutionizes HVAC tubing connections by effortlessly accommodating common diameters in both soft and hard copper. Its high-temperature method preserves the material's malleability, preventing cracks and leaks during swagging. This versatile tool eliminates the need for extra fitting like sleeves and unions, turning potential waste into profit. Achieving swags in just 5 seconds, the swagging spin tool simplifies the process by attaching to a drill, leveraging high temperature and friction for efficient performance. No clamping tools or holders are required, as the drill provides the necessary strength. Spin represents the evolution in HVAC swagging tools, ensuring a seamless and efficient tubing connection experience. The WorkPro 10-inch water pump pliers exemplifies the commitment to delivering dependable equipment that offers great value and durability. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel with a black electrophoretic and polished finish, these water pump pliers resist corrosion and provide added strength. The quick one-handed adjustment feature with a push-button mechanism simplifies jaw adjustments for various workpiece sizes, ensuring trouble-free operation with a self-locking mechanism. The pliers boast a unique jaw configuration with hardened teeth, offering a secure grip on objects of different shapes, while the ergonomic and textured tipped handle allows for comfortable use, generating more torque with less effort, suitable for a wide range of applications. These water pump pliers are designed to enhance efficiency, reduce wear, and ensure safety in your work. Experience superior press technology with the Romax 3000, delivering swift and efficient pressing for copper and stainless steel fittings, from 12 to 108mm, and plastic fittings, 12 to 75mm. The powerful motor completes the press process in just under 5 seconds, employing constant force technology to ensure a steady axial pressing force of 32 to 34 kN. Designed to withstand adverse weather conditions, the Romax 3000 operates flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Craftsmen benefit from a 20,000 press cycle service interval, while the Li-ion battery, 18 volts or 3.0 ampere hours, ensures long-lasting efficiency for up to 160 pressings, or 28mm stainless steel, or 90 pressings, 54mm stainless steel. User-friendly features include a soft grip for secure handling, ergonomic design with balanced weight distribution, and compatibility with various press jaws. The Romax 3000's versatility extends to cramped spaces, and an optional set of press rings facilitates pressing in hard-to-reach areas. The device also features a rotating press jaw attachment, LED display for battery status, and a safety latch to prevent unintentional opening, making it an ideal tool for professionals on construction sites. The NT3015 Nerad Ratchet Action Copper Tube Cutter is a cutting-edge addition to your toolkit, specifically engineered for 15mm copper tubes. Boasting a sophisticated ratchet action, this tool ensures a reliable hand grip throughout the cutting process, promoting maximum functionality and minimizing the risk of hand fatigue. Its internal cutting mechanism operates independently from the outer body, allowing for unparalleled maneuverability in confined spaces where traditional cutters may struggle. The ergonomic design of this Nerad tool is a testament to user comfort, offering a seamless and efficient cutting experience. With smooth operation at its core, the NT3015 not only simplifies tasks but also reduces strain on your hands, enhancing overall efficiency. Elevate your plumbing endeavors with the NT3015 Nerad Ratchet Action Copper Tube Cutter, a versatile and user-friendly tool designed to meet the demands of precision cutting in various applications. Meet the 1-inch PEX Crimper, a factory-adjusted tool crafted for robust and leak-free connections, adhering to ASTM F1807 standards. The 3801SH model features interchangeable jaws, a PEX cutter, and a go or no-go gauge for versatile functionality. Its pre-crimp rings prevent slippage during 3/4 inches and 1-inch copper ring crimping, especially useful in cramped spaces or at heights. Reshaping deformed copper ring is a breeze for standard installations. The quick jaw changing feature enhances efficiency, allowing seamless transitions during work. Governed by ASTM standards F1807 and F2159, the copper ring crimp ensures a 360-degree compression over the barbs without expansion or corrosion risks. Weighing 2.64 pounds with a length of 12.2 inches, the IWS 3801SH or IWS FAS offers a crimping capacity for 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch sizes. Uniwell's UEK1 Compact Hydraulic Expander Swage Tube Kit is an all-inclusive set featuring expander heads in sizes 3/8 inches, 1/2 inches, 5/8 inches, 3/4 inches, 7/8 inches, and 1 1/8 inches OD, along with an inside or outside deburring tool and a convenient carrying case with storage compartments. The compact pistol grip design allows for effective operation in tight spaces, and the hydraulic lever mechanism, coupled with the release button, enables quick and easy one-handed swagging for tubing ranging from 3/8 inches to 1 5/8 inches OD. This kit is suitable for soft tubing made of copper, brass, aluminum, and steel. It's important to note that all tubing must be soft or fully annealed to prevent cracking, and a product video guides users on the proper annealing process. Additionally, Uniweld offers separate expander heads for 1/4 inches, 5/16 inches, 1 3/8 inches, 1 5/8 inches, and 2 1/8 inches OD tubing, providing versatility and flexibility in your tube expansion needs. Introducing the Loresso Tube Bender, a versatile 3-in-1 manual tool designed for 1/4 inches, 5/16 inches, and 3/8 inches tubing. Applicable for various trades like plumbing, construction, manufacturing, heating, air conditioning, and electrical work. This portable bender, constructed with high-quality, heavy-duty steel, can be easily fixed to a frame or bench for stability during use. Its 0 to 180-degree angle adjuster provides flexibility for different bending requirements. Ideal for copper, brass, aluminum, and thin steel pipes, this all-in-one tool is a must-have for tradesmen seeking efficiency and precision. Suitable for construction sites, plumbing jobs, shipping, manufacturing, heating, decorating, or garage repair shops. The Loresso manual pipe bender is easy to operate, portable, and built to last. Adjusting the metal bender is straightforward, offering various degrees from 0 to 180, making it a 3-in-1 tool catering to 1/4 inches, 5/16 inches, and 3/8 inches tubing sizes, 8, 6, 10 mm. Upgrade your plumbing toolkit with the Milwaukee 4822-7314 Cheater Adaptable Pipe Wrench, a revolutionary tool for professional plumbers. Its new to-roll 3-length design, featuring 2 interchangeable threaded handles, adapts effortlessly to various job requirements, offering a compact 10-inch length for tight spaces, an 18-inch length for general use, and a robust 24-inch length for maximum leverage. The overbite jaw design ensures an expansive grip surface, enhancing efficiency, while dual coil springs boost durability. The ergonomic hook jaw design streamlines workflow, and tether-ready handle loops make it job site ready. With included interchangeable handles, this tool is a comprehensive solution for innovation, durability, and comfort in plumbing. Elevate your plumbing game with a Milwaukee Cheater, seamlessly combining versatility and ergonomic design for a superior pipe wrench experience. And there you have it, the must-have plumbing tools and accessories you need to elevate your plumbing projects. Share your favorite tools in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.